Dear colleagues, Thomas from Würth International, and I'm responsible for RedStripe here in Shanghai. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of one of the most versatile hand tools, the adjustable spanners. In this video, we'll share the key factors that set apart a high-performance and durable adjustable spanner, vital for applications across various segments, such as setting up scaffolding in construction sites, irrigation in agriculture, plumbing, and automotive. The length of the spanner makes a difference to how much force can be applied to the fastener. Longer spanners create greater torque and are better for larger or stiffer fasteners. Before we delve into the important details about adjustable spanners, it is important to clarify an extremely relevant concept. We're talking about torque. Torque can be defined as a turning force that tends to cause rotation around an axis, and it has a direct influence not only on the resistance of the tool, but also on its design and performance. The usual elevated torque demanded to tightening or loosening up bolts and nuts with the big diameters is followed by the needs of a very resistant steel. An important factor for appropriate performance in terms of robustness is related to the addition of elements that increases the resistance of the base steel that constitutes the tool on what is known as an alloy. An alloy is a blend of different types of chemical elements added to the base metal so that it becomes more resistant to shocks and fractures. A very popular alloy for adequate resistance in such difficult operations is chromium vanadium. Chromium increases the steel's resistance to rusting, while vanadium provides strength and higher hardness. The thicker and wider the head of the spanner, the stronger it will be. Thick heads and shafts strengthen the whole spanner and provide more contact with the fastener, which means the fastener will take less effort to turn and is less likely to get damaged in the process. On the other hand, wide heads don't fit into small spaces. The well-balanced design of the RedStripe spanners offers a slightly angled and tapered jaw allied to a thick structure, making them ideally suitable and comfortable for work in confined spaces, such as underneath the sink or behind a toilet seat, something that is just part of day's work for plumbers and repair workers, for example. A feature related to precision is the scale. On one side of the wrench, showing SAE for Society of Automotive Engineers, measurements in inches. Something very important, especially on the automotive segment, where the imperial sizes are very popular. On the other side, we have a metric ruler in millimeters. A very common feature on the jaws is the grooves, or teeth, which is aimed to provide more grip. However, it could cause damage to some sensitive parts made from soft material such as copper, brass, or plastic. That's the reason why our spanners have been developed with a plain surface that offers the needs in terms of care and neatness on a detailed job. The jaw position in 22.5 degrees allows a greater range of movement in enclosed spaces by flipping the wrench over while maintaining a secure grip without wiggle or slip. Despite sounding ordinary, the adjustment knob plays an essential role. Our 4-threaded adjustment knob, sometimes referred to as the knurl, helps reduce jaw wiggle, which is a common but annoying issue with most adjustable wrenches in the market that offers 3-threaded knobs. The width of the handle is a bit wider than many similar tools, which makes it easier to grasp firmly and helps on applying more torque. Moreover, the texturized finishing enhances the grip even when working with slippery hands covered by oil, grease or water. Additionally, they are shop ready. The hole on the bottom allows immediate placement for retail business, works as a lanyard connector for easy carrying or tethering when working at height. For small fasteners to big bolts, stick to the one-step solution in terms of versatility, price and performance, our RedStripe Adjustable Spanners.